Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through a detailed, step-by-step guide on setting up your Comfast WiFi Extender. This device will help boost your internet signal, extend coverage, and eliminate frustrating dead zones in your home or office. Stay tuned to enjoy seamless connectivity everywhere. Start by unboxing your Comfast Wi-Fi Extender. Inside, you'll find the extender itself, a quick setup guide, and possibly a power adapter if included. Before proceeding, ensure you have your main Wi-Fi network's name and password ready for a smooth setup process. Next, connect your Comfast Wi-Fi Extender to a power outlet near your router. Ensure it's securely plugged in and wait for the indicator light to illuminate. This confirms that the extender is powered on and ready for the configuration process. Now, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. This network, typically named Comfast_XXXX, can be found printed on the extender itself or in the quick setup guide included in the box. After connecting to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, launch a web browser on your device. Enter the extender's IP address, typically 192.168.10.1, into the address bar. This will take you to the login page, where setup begins. Log in using the default credentials, which are typically admin for both the username and password, unless stated otherwise in the extender's user manual. Make sure to double-check the manual for any model-specific login details or variations. Once logged in, follow the on-screen prompts to scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the displayed list and enter your Wi-Fi password to establish a connection. This step enables the extender to boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal effectively. Finally, connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. The network name will typically match your main network, but with _ext added at the end. Test the connection by browsing or streaming to confirm that the extender is functioning effectively. After completing the configuration, unplug the extender and relocate it to a spot roughly halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Check the signal indicator light to ensure a strong connection for the best possible performance. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of expert professionals is available to help you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for immediate assistance. And there you have it. Your Comfast Wi-Fi Extender is now successfully set up, providing improved coverage and eliminating dead zones in your space. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.